Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unfreeze the rows and also the columns on your Microsoft Excel mobile. If it is freeze, just use this option to unfreeze it, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to unfreeze the row and column in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. For an example, in this sheet, the first column has been freezed. So just want to release this. You just need to, if you are on home section, just change this to the view section and then you scroll down and you will see an option called freeze pan. Click on this. You can see the freeze first column has been activated. You just click on this, which will be unreleased this option. The same process, for example, in sheet 3, the first row has been freezed. The same process, you just need to click anywhere and click on this arrow section, just go to the free view section, just change this and just click on this, which will release this. The same process for if you're having if the row and column everything has been freezed. For an example, here the row has been freezed like this and also the column has been freezed like this. I just want to release this. The same process, click on the cell, any cell, and click on the arrow section. Just go to the view option, just scroll down and just click on the freeze pan option, and you will see this option that freeze pans has been activated. You just click on this, which will be deactivate this so it look like a normal sheet. This is how you just unfreeze the rows and columns on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.